So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys 5 low competition Christmas based niches you can start making designs for today. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand stores. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. So if you're looking for extra information in regards of that, you can even check out the free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. Alongside that, I also have a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, and all the information is linked down below. So as you all know, Q4 is fast approaching, which means a lot of different holidays all pretty much coming in at once. I've covered some which I'll talk about towards the end of the video, but as for today, we'll be looking at the Christmas holiday and some low competition niches you guys can jump into right away. The main reason I'm also making this video like now is due to the fact the closer we get to Christmas, the more competition there will be for the Christmas niche, as well as for some of the low competition niches I'll be talking about today. So you guys need to make sure that you're making the most of these niches before too many people start jumping onto them. And for anyone who may be new to Redbubble or starting out who doesn't really know how they can find low competition, I'm going to jump onto Redbubble and I'm going to talk you through a few little methods you guys can use to start building up your own ideas. The first method is very easy. So once you're on Redbubble, you just want to go on the search bar and you want to type Christmas. So when you type that, you'll be recommended a few things and you can click on some of the suggestions. Some of them may pop up with a lot of results, such as this one here, but what you want to do is you want to go through the tabs to see if you can find keywords that have lower competition. Like for example, if I click on Christmas crew, I'm guessing it will be less. As you can see, it's dropped from 35,000 to 9,500 results. Things that are usually in niches like this tend to sell quite well, but obviously as there's a lot of competition here, you want to be able to jump into niches that have less competition. For example, ER Nurse Christmas is showing up with 1,278 results. This is the kind of thing you want to be looking for. And if I click on this one here, less than 1,000 results is even better. Emergency Room Christmas Crew, 822 results. And the great thing about these kind of niches is that they're linking a niche that does well on its own, the nurse niche, as well as the Christmas niche, which obviously leads to higher potential of getting sales for those struggling. These niches I'm giving you guys, they're extra niches that you can write down if you want, mainly because the competition is very low. And by the time we get to Christmas, if you start getting sales way before then, your own designs may also be listed on the front pages of these searches. And speaking of searches, another thing you may want to do is put some research into finding words in related to Christmas. Like I pretty much just go on Google, put words related to Christmas, and you will see a list of words that you can actually use in your keywords or you can use in your research to see if you can find low competition. Things like this make life a lot easier, even when you're making tags as well. And I mean, if I was to take one of these keywords, I'll take Kris Kringle, and then if I was to put it onto Redbubble, you see that, you know, the competition is only 2,426. So if we search Christmas, you can see there's 2.3 million results. It might actually drop when I click the tab. So 1.4 million in comparison to 2,000. So you definitely want to make sure that you're seeing and looking out for words in related to Christmas, as that will just pretty much make life a lot easier for you guys. Now, what are the 5 low competition niches I put together for you guys? Starting off with niche 1, we have Christmas elf riding monster truck. This one showed up with 331 results. I actually found this one through Redbubble, and I mean, I thought this is an interesting one to share with you guys, but it's more of a graphic based design. So you need to be the kind of person who can do a little bit of research into looking for images that can work well in this niche, and looking at what the competition has done. A lot of these designs don't seem to be text based, but if you're creative enough to make it text based, you can actually maybe do something in this. Or if you are an artist, you can have a little bit of fun with this and maybe even get creative if you want. The main thing here is that the competition is low, so you guys could definitely make the most of this style of niche. We have niche 2, which is I'm Dreaming of a Wine Christmas. Play on words on the song I Am Dreaming of a White Christmas. This has 176 results from what I can see, which is even lower than the niche we just had a look at. A lot of the designs, I'm seeing them on t-shirts, some stickers, we've got a poster and a cap in there. And one thing a lot of people don't really realize sells well when it comes to Christmas is Christmas cards. So maybe you can make some Christmas card based designs for this niche. And as the competition is still very, very low at the moment, this is something that could eventually end up paying off for you guys if you act on it. Now on to niche 3, we have I Just Want to Watch Christmas Movies. This one surprised me a little bit. I actually got the idea of this one through Merch Informer, which if you guys don't know what Merch Informer is, there's a video linked down in the description that'll literally talk you through Merch Informer, how you use it. It is a paid service, so that's something you guys want to be bearing in mind before you do go and check out that video. Nevertheless, this is where I got this idea from. Searched it up on Redbubble. The competition was very low, as you guys can see there. People have actually put Christmas cards in there. I'm seeing stickers, I'm seeing t-shirts, and you know, there's a range of products. One thing I'm not seeing is sticker packs. I feel like with niches like this, you can maybe create something that says, I just want to watch Christmas movies all day. And then you can create little images that are in relation to Christmas and make like a cool sticker pack. As the competition is so low, your sticker pack will allow you to stand out a lot more in a niche like this. And this is something that you guys need to definitely be acting on if you're not doing things like that already. On to niche number 4, we have Christmas is Loading. This one's plain and simple and it's coming in with only 693 results. Wanted to share this with you guys because I thought this would be a fairly easy design for you guys to make. There's a lot of different variations, a lot of them on stickers, masks. Once again, I'm not seeing Christmas cards in there. You can definitely put your 2 cents in and create some very, very simple Christmas cards that you can throw in this niche. And with a competition less than 1,000 results, I mean, you can't really complain too much at a niche like that. On to niche 5, we have I Run on Coffee and Christmas Cheer. Now this is coming in with 667 results. The main reason I wanted to feature this niche is because I know that the coffee niche by itself performs well. The Christmas niche by itself performed well. So if you're linking 2 niches that perform well, I mean, that increases your chances of getting sales in my book. So you definitely want to be jumping in on this one. Once again, being creative, not seeing any Christmas cards, not seeing any sticker packs. You can make some cards, some sticker packs, as I feel those things will allow you to stand out in niches like this, as not too many people think of doing things like that. But yeah, guys, do your best to be creative and do your best to make the most of this information. If you want more Christmas based niches, maybe you need to check out this video. Comment down Christmas Cheer if you've made it to this point, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.